Intelligence, a complex and multifaceted concept, has fascinated thinkers for centuries. How do we measure something so intangible? In the early 20th century, the intelligence quotient, or IQ test, emerged as an attempt to quantify cognitive abilities. These tests, designed to assess an individual's ability to learn and solve problems, have been both praised and criticized for their applications and limitations. While IQ tests provide a standardized measure of certain cognitive skills, they do not encompass the full spectrum of human intelligence. Factors such as creativity, emotional intelligence, and practical skills are not fully captured by these tests. The origins of IQ tests trace back to Alfred Binet, a French psychologist, in the early 1900s. Binet and Theodore Simon developed the first intelligence test to identify children needing educational support. The Binet-Simon scale marked a milestone in intelligence assessment. It assessed a child's mental age compared to their chronological age. Over the decades, IQ tests have undergone numerous revisions and adaptations. Louis Terman, an American psychologist, played a pivotal role in revising and standardizing Binet's original test, leading to the development of the Stanford-Binet intelligence scale. This revised version became widely adopted in the United States. Another key figure in the evolution of IQ tests was David Wechsler, who developed the Wechsler Adult Intelligence Scale, or WAIS, and the Wechsler Intelligence Scale for Children, or WISC. These tests, which are still widely used today, introduced the concept of deviation IQ, comparing an individual's score to the average score of others in their age group. Today, a wide variety of IQ tests are available, each with its own specific purpose and target audience. Some commonly used IQ tests include the Stanford-Binet intelligence scales, Wechsler intelligence scales, and the Raven's progressive matrices. These tests vary in their content, format, and scoring methods. For example, the Raven's progressive matrices focuses on nonverbal reasoning and problem-solving abilities, while the Wechsler scales assess a broader range of cognitive skills, including verbal comprehension, working memory, and processing speed. The choice of which test to use depends on the specific assessment goals. IQ tests have been used for a variety of purposes, including identifying individuals with learning disabilities, assessing intellectual giftedness, and predicting academic and job performance. In educational settings, IQ tests can help educators tailor their instruction to meet the needs of students with varying cognitive abilities. However, it is crucial to remember that IQ scores are just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to understanding an individual's capabilities. Factors such as motivation, creativity, and social skills also play a significant role in shaping a person's success in life. One of the main strengths of IQ tests is their ability to provide a standardized measure of cognitive abilities. This standardization allows for meaningful comparisons between individuals and across populations. When administered and interpreted correctly, IQ tests can offer valuable insights into an individual's cognitive strengths and weaknesses. For example, an individual with a high verbal comprehension score may excel in language-based tasks, while someone with a high processing speed score might be particularly adept at tasks that require quick thinking and decision-making. This information can be helpful in educational and vocational guidance. Despite their widespread use, IQ tests face considerable criticism. Critics argue IQ tests don't capture the full complexity of human intelligence. They primarily measure a narrow range of cognitive abilities, neglecting creativity, emotional intelligence, and practical skills. Another concern is cultural bias, disadvantaging individuals from certain backgrounds. Efforts to create more culturally fair tests continue, but challenges remain. The debate on IQ tests and intelligence assessment continues. Advances in brain science promise new methods for measuring intelligence. IQ tests offer insights but must be used ethically, acknowledging their limits. The future lies in a holistic understanding of intelligence, covering cognitive, emotional, and social abilities. Let us know what you think about IQ tests in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this interesting.